Hi class, we have the sixth lesson for indices, sorts. Today I want us to discuss conjugate sorts. Conjugate sorts. You need to understand why they are conjugates and the advantage we can realize when we are multiplying a sort expression and its conjugates. Okay, now when you observe here we have root 3, here we have root 3. We have 2, we have 2. Only these signs are different. So this is how conjugate sorts appear. Yeah. We don't have just a pair of sorts to say conjugate, no. Conjugate to which one? So the saying conjugate um, is a forceful way to have a plural form in the sense we cannot just say 3 minus root 2 is a conjugate. Conjugate to what? Yeah, this one is a sort expression. So this sort expression, what is the conjugate to this one? It is 3 plus root 2. So this is the same, this and is the same, but the signs are different. That makes them conjugate to each other. So root 3, then 2, 2. Root 3 the same, 2, 2 the same, but the signs are different. That makes them conjugate. But the explanation is so limited until we get to some style of them, then you will understand properly more of conjugate. All right. The product of any sort expression, the product of any, there is an emphasis here. Yeah, any, the product of any sort expression and its conjugate is not a sort. So whenever you multiply a sort expression and its conjugate, the result is not a sort. Yeah, there will be no root. No. So that tells you that the result is going to be a rational number. Okay. Now this and this they are the same. This and this are the same, but the signs are different. So whenever you are multiplying a sort expression and its conjugate, the good thing is that you don't need more steps. See what we do. The first multiplies the first. Yes. And the second multiplies the second. That is the good thing about multiplication of a sort expression and its conjugate. So let's do root 3 times root 3 is just 3. Always the first and the first multiply. The second and the second. 2 times 2, 4. But how about the signs? Well, we use a minus. The minus sign supersedes here. So 3 minus 4 is minus 1. I hope it is clear. So easy. So are these also conjugate to each other? Let's find out. Root 3, root 3. Oh, I think I repeated the same thing. So let me change this one. Oh, okay, they are not the same. They are not the same to this. Root 3, they are the same. Root 2, they are the same. But the signs are different. So what do? The first multiplies the first. So root 3 times root 3 is 3. We always use minus when multiplying a sort expression and its conjugate. Root 2 times root 2 is just 2. Do you want me to write 4 as we did here? No, this is 2 times 2. And this is root 2 times root 2. Yeah. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So the whole of this expression just gives us 1. So interesting. Okay, so we come to this again. 6, 6, they are the same. Root 5, they are the same. The signs are different. Okay, so 6 times 6 is 36. We use minus. Root 5 times root 5 is 5. So this will give us 31. Okay, so 3 root 2, they are the same. 1, 1, they are the same. The signs are different. The middle signs are different. So 3 root 2 times 3 root 2. Let us start with what we have outside. 3 times 3, 9. Root 2 times root 2 is 2. So root 2 times root 2, the 2 multiplies what we had outside. before multiplying root 2 times root 2. Don't forget, we always use minus. Multiplication of a surd expression and its conjugate. 1 times 1 is 1. So the first times the first minus the second times the second. The first and the first, the second and the second. You can see minus between everywhere. Alright, so 9 times 2 is 18. Yeah, so this is 1, we have 17. Okay, I have two tricky ones here, a bit tricky, not that tricky. Now, the signs between are not different. The signs between are not different. So why actually these are conjugate surds to each other? Why are they conjugate? Because we used to see the middle signs are different. Why this case is different and as well here. So the thing is, it's not about the middle signs. This is what I was trying to say, that when we got to the meaning two, you will hear a unique explanation. Conjugate is not all about the middle signs. Yes, it's not about the middle signs. It's about having corresponding values with different signs. Okay, one set of them will give you different. So see here, root 3 is positive, root 3 is positive. But root 2 positive, root 2 negative. So you see that one set has positive, positive, but the other set has what? Negative, positive. That is the actual sense. Root 3, positive, positive. But root 2, positive, negative. So one set has the same, the other set has different signs. That is the actual sense of what conjugate. It's not about the middle signs. So if you have been going with the middle signs, then you will find it very difficult. I once taught in a school where I gave in a test, I brought problems like this. But actually, I forgot to teach them during the lessons. Yeah, so only few students, those that we are more smarter, we are able to solve them. Okay, so again, 6 plus plus. For root 5 minus plus. You see, so one pair, the same sign. The other pair, different signs. So that is the one, the universal one. 3 root 2, 3 root 2 plus plus. 1 minus 1 plus. So let's see if that explanation gives us this one here. Okay. 2 root 2, 2 root 2 plus plus. 8 plus 8 minus. See? So that one is universal. So other than saying the middle signs are different, no, it's not all about the middle signs. Let's see here again. If you want to be confused that why the middle signs are the same, well, they are not conjugate. They are conjugate. Let's find out. For the 3, minus plus. For the 2 root 2, 2 root 5, 2 root 5, they are the same. You see, minus, minus. It's not about minus. It's not about plus. It's about the same signs. Okay. Now, 2 root 5, 2 root 5, see, they have the same sign. But when you come to 3, minus plus. So I want to help you how to rearrange them so that you see your desired pattern. Okay. So what do? We say 8 plus 2 root 2. Yeah. So what do we say here? Okay. This is not actually what I wanted to write. All right. So your desired pattern is you want to see the middle sign being different. So we can say, we write this one first. Remember, 5 plus 4 is the same as 4 plus 5. We get the same. So 8 plus 2 root 2 is the same as 2 root 2 plus 8. So when we come to this, we write this one first. So let's write this one first. 2 root 2 minus 8. So it is now in the order in which you so desire. 2 root 2, 2 root 2. 8, 8, but the signs are different. Okay? Let's see this one again here. Yeah. So which way do we want it? We want the middle signs to be what? To be different. Now we can maintain this one. Okay, let's write this one first. Minus 2 root 5, this one, then minus 3. Remember, I'll write this one first. So here again, minus 2 root 5 plus 3. You see? Now you can see the first and the first, the second and the second. minus with something, but only the middle signs are different. So I think we achieve it. So now we go now. Once they are conjugate to each other, the first multiplies the first, the second multiplies the second. So let's start with the first, this and this. So for those outside, 2 times 2, 4. Root 2 times root 2 is 2. We use a minus. 8 times 8, 64. So we say 8 minus 64. That is 56. Negative 56. I hope it is clear. Okay. Now we come to this again. The first multiplies the first. Then later the second multiplies the second, as long as they are conjugate to each other. Now, outside is minus 2. Outside is minus 2. So minus 2 times minus 2 is positive 4. Root 5 times root 5 is 5. We always use minus. So now we come to this one here. 3 times 3 is 9. So we have 20 minus 9, which is 11. So I hope this one is clear. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. See my next video. Then don't forget what it says. It's not a sod. You see, the results are not sods. None of the results comes with a root. So see my next video once more.